What's up, guys? Boys Fishing Crew, Lorence, Chris Sherman right there. You know how we do. We're out on our way to go fishing on a Friday. We gonna snag them, catch them like Pokemon. Gotta snag them all. So we're on our way to Shelter Island, meeting up with Lauren's sister, his brother-in-law, stuff like that. So we're gonna try to go for mackerels and fish in the rocks, and yep, I'll show you guys Shelter Island once we get there. We're on carpool lane because you know it's traffic right now on the other side. We don't be doing that when you got a lot of people. You stay in the carpool lane, you know what I mean? All right, guys, here goes Shelter Island, and 1, 2, 3. Boom. Boom. All right, guys, we made it here at Shelter Island. Met up with Chris's brother, his sister, Dennis right there, Chris, everybody. We parked. Chris Sherman's right there. So we're gonna set up, rigged up, and see what we catches. Let me show you guys the water right now. The water is high tide like the other day. Bird just got something over there. Lauren's already on the water. The weather, it's all right now. You don't need a sweater, so it's been hot here in San Diego. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw my line in there and see what we get. Sherman got one. See what we got here. Good night already. Boom. Woo, get it. Hope it's big.
Oh, what's up, Calico?
Hey, all right, Calico made it. Right there. Where is it? Snag 'em! Where is it? Woo! There it is.
That's it?
Where'd it go? Show yourself.
Oh, snap.
Oh, here it is. Here it is.
Getting bigger.
Getting bigger. Almost there. Got the 7-incher.
Look what I got. Look what I got.
Boom! We got
Hot
that too.
dog.
We cut that. We cut that.
In August?
Yeah, August 1st, meron. It's a weekday.
Yeah, I'll
Like,
get
ang
one.
binubuk namin,
There
you go.
Sunday, bro, so everybody's off.
Uy!
Hilo yan, hilo yan, hilo.
Basta! I got one right here. He just got here. Just threw it.
Nauuwi ko pa natin doon ng
So ako na lang pala hindi nakahuli ka.
Right there! Half a taco!
Half a taco!
Yeah, that thing's huge. Oh, can you handle it?
Half a taco.
Booyah!
Oh, snap. Lawrence got one. Good size. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. That's like a what? What size?
9, 8, 10. So I said, oh, ihaw nyo na.
Got one. Little ass light here came from the other light.
Oh. Malayo over there.
Woo, there it is. It's jumping bass. Where are you?
Oh, it's half a taco.
That's a good size. All right. Yo, you got one. It looks like a good size. Sorry for the lighting. We don't got no light. It feels big.
It looks big, but
Double hookup. Oh, someone got one over there. Let me see that fish and I'm gonna run up there.
That's the time they're feeding.
Boom. Oh yeah.
look. I hope
Let's
that's
go.
it good.
Let's go, guys. Calico right here. You get one, Calico?
I want to get my mackerel right now.
All right. Get it, Sherman. Get it, Sherman. Get it, Sherman. That's not what she said again, guys. I think it's decent. Oh, Lauren's size. Damn, Lauren's favorite right there. Baby.
Half a taco.
Alrighty. Oh, snap. Alright, guys, so update. We caught a couple of good fish here. I caught one to get in camera. Chris Sherman got about like 4 fish. We straightened out. Lawrence started catching them. So we're gonna go to the pier and trying to snag some mackerels for the fam bam. So we're heading there right now and I'll show you some mackerels. It looks like there's a lot of people over there, but we'll see what we can get. All right, guys. Oh snap. Adios. All right, guys, so we're here at the pier. Get this hand, all mackerel. Little Mac, Big Mac, got them all. Catch them all like Pokemon, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, snag them. Adios.
Boys Fishing Crew hitting some Mac.
Update. We got about half a bag of fish. Richard got half a bag of fish. We got half a bag of fish, all mackerels. A lot of mackerels right now. I can't show you guys the video because the light.
And more mackerels right here, see?
Right there. Booyah! Snag them all. So we're gonna stay here till 10:30. We gotta go rent a skiff tomorrow at Coronado. So, all right, guys. What's up, guys? Richie here, boys fishing crew. Chris Sherman over there. Lorence it's in the car. Started up the cars. We gotta go. Know what I mean? All in all, it was a good night. We didn't really catch a keeper, the rocks area, so we ended up going to the pier, and we start catching a lot of fish. You got, where is that? A full bag of mackerel. Richard got a full bag also. Chris, Lauren's brother, Chris is he's still over there fishing. They're still out there fishing for mackerels. There's a lot of mackerel right here at Shelter Island. If you guys are down to go fish for some mackerels, hit up Shelter Island at night. You don't need light, but just bring a light, you know, those glow stick, so you guys gonna need it. All right, guys, I would like to say thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe in our videos. And thank you to everybody that was here earlier. Shout out to Dennis, Buddha, June Boy, Chris, you know, pretty much everybody, Lauren's family. All right, guys, peace. Oh snap. Boom.